Hi guys, I don't know if it's only me, but sometimes I find cooking for lunch takes a lot of time when I'm working from home, and I only have 1 hour lunch break. So I've been thinking to take advantage of what I've prepared in advance to make a quick vermicelli soup. Firstly, soak the vermicelli with boiled water. It only takes 2 minutes. Then it's time to cook the soup. Firstly, I add a cube of vegetable stock. It could be chicken or beef stock as well. Then it's time to introduce my secret weapon. This is Korean spicy stir-fried pork. I batch cooked them in the other day and froze in the freezer. This is supermarket boxed frozen peas and corn. Next, a bowl of sliced white radish, aka daikon. Then I'm adding my favorite crab stick. This is probably the least nutritious ingredient in this dish. Don't forget to add the soaked vermicelli. After water is boiled, I'm adding a few Chinese leaves. Before serving, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and a pinch of salt to taste. To be honest, it's not a fancy dish. It literally just took me 15 minutes. I'm just using what ingredients I have in my fridge to create a quick lunch meal when I'm busy. But it really worked for me when I don't have time to cook but still want to eat something fresh with home taste. Would you try something like this at home?